Hey fearless explorers! Are you ready to face nature's deadliest? Here are the top 20 deadliest animals in the world, ranked from the least deadly to the most dangerous of all. Let's dive in. Number 20 Deadly Animal.
3, 2, 1.
20 Leopard, a silent and stealthy hunter. When it strikes, escape is almost impossible. Number 19.
3, 2, 1.
19 Komodo dragon, its venom and bacteria can take down prey slowly but surely. Number 18.
3, 2, 1.
18 Blue-ringed octopus, small but deadly. One bite can paralyze you in minutes. Number 17.
3, 2, 1.
17 Scorpion, especially the Deathstalker. One sting can cause extreme pain or even death. Number 16.
3, 2, 1.
16 Cone snail. This tiny ocean snail delivers venom so toxic, there's no known cure. Number 15.
3, 2, 1.
15 Pufferfish, cute but lethal. Its poison is over 1,000 times stronger than cyanide. Number 14.
3, 2, 1.
14 Tiger, strong, fast, and powerful. A single swipe can take down its prey in seconds. Number 13.
3, 2, 1.
13 Shark, the ocean's top predator. While rare, their attacks are deadly when they happen. Number 12.
3, 2, 1.
12 Lion, the king of the jungle, rules with teamwork, strength, and precision hunting. Number 11.
3, 2, 1.
11 Cape buffalo, called the Black Death. It charges without warning and can kill instantly. Number 10.
3, 2, 1.
10 Elephant, usually gentle giants, but when provoked, they become unstoppable forces. Number 9.
3, 2, 1.
9 Hippopotamus, extremely territorial and aggressive, kills more people in Africa than lions. Number 8.
3, 2, 1.
8 Saltwater crocodile, the largest reptile alive. One bite can crush bones with ease. Number 7.
3, 2, 1.
7 Box jellyfish, a silent killer of the sea. Its venom can stop your heart in minutes. Number 6.
3, 2, 1.
6 Tsetse fly, tiny but deadly. Spreads sleeping sickness that can be fatal if untreated. Number 5.
3, 2, 1.
5 Dogs with rabies. Rabies-infected dogs cause tens of thousands of deaths every year. Number 4.
3, 2, 1.
4 Snakes. Venomous snakes like vipers and cobras kill over 100,000 people each year. Number 3.
3, 2, 1.
3 Humans. Through war, hunting, and destruction, humans are among the deadliest creatures. Number 2.
3, 2, 1.
2 Freshwater snail. Carries deadly parasites that infect millions with schistosomiasis yearly. 1 The deadliest animal is
3, 2, 1.
mosquito, the tiniest yet deadliest creature on Earth. Responsible for over 1 million deaths every year by spreading malaria, dengue, and Zika. And there you have it, the top 20 deadliest animals from least to most deadly. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild facts.